La domanda, ma un olio del supermercato fa male? Sicuramente non fa male, ma è chiaro che non fa bene perché quelle proprietà nutraceutiche e salutistiche, quindi la piccantezza, i famosi polifenoli, queste molecole antiossidanti, li ritroviamo negli oli che sono stati macinati e moliti bene, quindi in cui abbiamo preservato questa componente nutraceutica. Sappiamo che un olio quando è esageratamente piccante non siamo forse abituati, però è proprio quello il vero, diciamo, la vera parte positiva dell'olio, la vera componente che ci fa bene alla salute.
So he was telling us that the most of questions that people always ask is if the oil of the supermarket is dangerous or not. Basically, it's not that dangerous, but as well, it's not that good because you buy a oil that you keep in a supermarket to be way to be buying, and as well, he will gather all the oxygen and the bad spicy strong taste of the oil. And as well, it was explaining to us that maybe we are not addicted to the fact that oil is basically spicy, but that's the way normal as the normal stuff have to come, because that's the spicy and the stronger taste that we have of the wine, and basically don't have to be that stronger because that means that there is something wrong about it.